I've never tried to get the whole shoot at once.
Yeah, at least get the finale.
Yeah, I usually break them in 2-minute intervals. The uploading's faster.
So mine never stays running that long with your video for it.
Ours will stay running until it runs out of memory. Wow, there we go. Hear them echoes. Wow.
I like how he fizzled down.
Crackling rain.
Yeah.
Yep. Weeping willows. Crackling flowers. You name it, they're going up there now. Oh, I love those hoops with the... I don't know what the hell that center's called. It's like a bow tie, we call them. Really building momentum now. Wow, here we go. Fill it up. 11 minutes in.
I missed 1 minute.
I got it all so far. Except all them bombs. Those were red fireflies. Could shimmer up there for a little bit. Crackling rain. Love the crackling rain.
Yeah.
I love those bursts there too. Right there, that one. Bow ties with a water fountain in the middle. Something. Not sure what they're called. They're all sweet. I'd love to push every button on them. All at once, actually. But then again, nah. It gets too clusterfucked if you hit all the buttons at once.
Yeah.
Bigger risk of accidents, too.
Oh, I bet.
So many side-by-side tubes start going off, the tubes can blow apart and aim at your crowd.
Yeah.
You don't want that happening. Wow. Listen to that break. Bam! Oh yeah. Pure light heaven show. Heavenly light show. Girard never disappoints. That was a hard, but it come out sideways, smeared like.
Almost looks like they're coming at you.
Almost. Oh, they're getting way up there with them. She watching this time?
Kind of, she is. Oh, weird.
I like them all. As long as they use solid color and big boom, I like them.
What are they doing? About 3-4 a second now? They haven't even taken a break once yet.
Yeah, if we get this good now, I just have what the finale should be like.
Well, A, it's going to be tremendous, or B, it's going to be very short.
Yeah.
We'll see in a minute. It's usually pretty long and loud. It gets very, ferocious at the end of it.
Yeah,
They usually follow up at least 50 to 100 salutes at the end. We'll see how they do it this year.
That was cool. That was like a plant that one.
Wow. I haven't seen any low breaks over the trees either. Not yet. Wow. Boom.
Smoke just rolling.
Sweet.
Just from the trees.
That's the nice thing. The smoke is moving along just at the right pace. It's moving away. Commentary. Yeah, you got to commentary the videos. Girard Fireworks2012. Awesome shit, man. Check it out on my channel on YouTube. Where you be tubing it. Sweet. Nice. See what I mean? It just keeps getting better.
Yeah.
Look at that. Sweet. There we go. Down the bridge now. Here we go. It's going to be hard to get it all in. I got to go at an angle to get them. Seeing this shit, it's like all over the place. Look at that. Yeah.
You hear that shit echoing.
There we go. Whoa! There we go. Stay frosty.